Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Vivo V21e and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then simply tap on the sound. Now let's scroll down a little bit to find this section where we can change the phone ringtone. So let's tap. That was a misclick, sorry. Let's tap on phone ringtone here, and after tapping we will be transferred to this list of available ringtones which are installed by default in this device. What is more, we can tap on custom ringtone, and basically if you will have any files downloaded, they will appear right there and you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. If you'd like to listen how the particular ringtone sounds from those defaultly installed ones, you can just tap on it and you will be able to check them. So if you... Okay, let me volume it down a little bit. And basically, maybe not that much. Basically, if you want to set this particular ringtone, just make sure that it is marked and go back. And as you can see, it will be immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your Vivo V21e. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.